Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, northeastern Travis County, northeastern Bastrop County, and central Lee County until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pflugerville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards: tennis ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impacts: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Pflugerville, Elgin, Jennings, Plateau, Manor, Fetter, Page, Circle DKC Estates, Camp Swift, Copeland, Knob Springs, Sherman, Rice's Crossing, Blue, McDade, Cedar Hill, Mobile City, The Hills, and Lincoln. Prepare immediately for large hail and immediate cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for hail that can cause significant damage to your location. People outside should move to shelter in a strong building and stay away from windows. Dangerous hail and cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors and seek shelter now. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
They have the best prices.
Great company.
Wait, great company? Steve hates big tech. He's always moaning about buying local. This feels off.